second part of alcohols, phenols and ether. So we are going to discuss. Be interactive. Whenever you have doubt, raise your voice. Chemical reactions related to alcohols, phenols and ether we are going to discuss. First, chemical reaction on alcohols. Remember, according to this page, an alcohol had dual role, two roles. What are the two roles of alcohol? Electrophile. Another one, nucleophile. So, according to or with respect to the reagent or reaction atmosphere, the alcohol behave sometime electrophile or electrophilic nature and sometime nucleophilic natures. So that's why we cannot predict always same kind of reaction. Electrophilic nature mean and cleavage occurred between R and C, R and O. That is OH mean here we are expecting cleavage. After cleavage, the carbon becomes carbocation. So electron is a electrophile mean the cleavage occurred between R carbon and OH. That is CO bond break. The breakage occurred between carbon and oxygen. At the end of the cleavage, the carbon of R part becomes positively charged. So this is carbon is nucleophilic center. Carbocation, this become nucleophilic center. Nucleophilic center. So nucleophilic center mean after cleavage carbon becomes positive charge, and carbocation formation after cleavage mean what is the character of the entire alcohol? The character of the entire alcohol electrophile, very important. If an alcohol behave as a electrophile, so during the reaction the carbon of alcohol becomes carbocation. The carbon of alcohol becomes carbocation after the cleavage of OH. This is totally cleaved. This is totally to be cleaved. Then the OH totally removed. After removal of OH, carbocation formed. The carbocation nucleophilic center. So nucleophilic center mean which will attack, nucleophile will attack, or nucleophile is attacked by alcohol. So alcohol is known as electrophile. Remember, very important. First part. What is the second part? Sometime in some other reaction, what the role of the alcohol? Nucleophilic nature, nucleophile. So nucleophile mean during the reaction, or we are talking about alcohol OH. Okay, the cleavage occurs between oxygen and hydrogen. Around oxygen already there are two lone pair of electron. So this is electron rich. Because of electron rich is look for this is R plus mean look for electrophile. Because of negative electron density more mean look for nucleophile. Okay, listen now. So the electron deficient, which is electron deficient? Electron deficient some X plus electron division. Okay, X incoming positive charge mean the X plus is attracted by the lone pair of electrons around oxygen because the cleavage occurred between oxygen and hydrogen. So the oxygen now become electrophilic center. What is oxygen now? Electrophilic center. Electrophilic center. In the previous type, not oxygen, and carbon becomes nucleophilic center. So carbon nucleophilic center mean is good electrophile. This is electrophilic center mean what about this part nucleophile. So in the second case, alcohol behave as a nucleophile. In the first case, alcohol behave as an electrophile. So the two difference very important to understand the chemical reaction involving alcohol and any other reagent. So based on the nature of the reagent, alcohol change its character. Sometime electrophilic character is shown by alcohol and some other time nucleophilic characters are shown by the alcohol. Okay, understood? So based on this discussion we are going to and discuss elaborately chemical reactions involving alcohol. Okay, this is first one, alcohols as nucleophile. We discuss nucleophile mean we are expecting cleavage between oxygen and hydrogen. Look at here, between oxygen and hydrogen cleavage occurs. What is the vertical dotted line? The vertical dotted line is the probability of the cleavage between oxygen and H. Okay, this is cleavage. Now the lone pair of electron around oxygen decide the nucleophilic nature of the alcohol. So nucleophilic nature of the alcohol, this look for nucleophile. This part is look for nucleophile. This is nucleophile. The positive charge is nucleophile. Look at here, R plus is nucleophile, nucleophilic center. Okay, so what is C plus? Carbocation. What is the need of the carbocation? Electron. The carbocation need electron because carbocation positive charge carbon is nothing but carbocation. So to neutralize the charge over carbon, the carbon need very badly electron. So electron, sufficient amount of electron available around oxygen. So we may expect the reaction or attack are between oxygen and carbocation. So the carbocation straight away bonded to oxygen and cleavage occurred between oxygen and hydrogen. The hydrogen and cleaved out of heterolytic cleavages. Out of heterolytic cleavages, H plus. Heterolytic cleavages mean a non-symmetric cleavage. Homolytic cleavage mean symmetric cleavage. Out of homolytic cleavage, hydrogen atom cleaved. Out of heterolytic cleavage, hydrogen cleaved as proton. So the proton. Okay, so once the carbon attached to oxygen, or this is intermediate. Actually this is not a final product, intermediate. Intermediate, high potential energy, so highly unstable. To give the product, it reduces potential energy. So remember, potential energy of product always less than that of the transition compound, that is intermediate compound. Okay, so this is finally we have got the bonding between RO carbon. Around the carbon already there are 3 sigma bond, including the bond between carbon and oxygen. Around the carbon there are 4 bond, and there is no charge. This is saturated and neutral. We can get one neutral compound. Additionally, H plus. Additionally, the H plus will involve in the second stage in some other reaction. Why? Because H plus is highly unstable. Highly unstable. Make note of it. But in case of Cl minus and Br minus can survive obeying octet law, but H plus empty orbital around a nucleus, so this highly unstable. H plus is also known as proton. Okay, yes, we'll continue. What is the second type? The first type, the cleavage occurred between and carbon and oxygen and hydrogen. Okay, oxygen and hydrogen mean between oxygen and hydrogen. What is the role of the alcohol? Nucleophile. So whenever alcohol and behave as a nucleophile, the cleavage occurred between oxygen and hydrogen of the hydroxyl group. Very, very important. But in the next one, what is the role of alcohol? Electrophile. So electrophile mean carbocation will form. Electrophile mean carbocation will form. The cleavage occurred between carbon and oxygen. Carbon and oxygen. Between this carbon and this oxygen, we are expecting cleavage here. Why? Because what is the role of the alcohol here? The electrophiles. In the electrophile, C plus will form after cleavage. In nucleophile, and O minus, additionally O minus will form if ROH is nucleophile. O minus will form, C plus will form if alcohol ROH is an electrophile. I am going very, very slowly so that you can understand. Okay. Now look at here. What is H plus? That is reagent. H plus produced by given by any mineral acid. Okay, and the H plus and the lone pair of electron around the oxygen, because H plus highly unstable, is the H plus always look for the presence of electron. Due to the presence of two lone pair of electron around oxygen, the bonding between the lone pair of electron and the proton occurred. So the H plus first get attached to OH. So this is known as protonated alcohol. What is this called? Addition of proton, protonation. Addition of proton on alcohol, so protonated alcohol is protonated alcohol. So general formula, whole thing R mean R H2O plus. This is protonated alcohol. Okay, and from the protonated alcohol, previously before protonation, the OH is very poor leaving group. Remember, this is poor leaving group. And because of poor leaving group, in the presence of only mineral acid, after protonation, then here protonated alcohol have best leaving group. Which is best leaving group? Here H2O is best leaving group. So H2O is relieved from carbon, leaving positive charge to the carbon. The positive charge is migrated to carbon and H2O is released. Look at here, H2O released, here carbon plus carbocation, okay, and the carbocation plus incoming, what is Br minus? Br minus nucleophile. Br minus nucleophile, negative charged radical, generally known as nucleophile. So nucleophile will give electron C plus, nucleophilic center or electrophile. C plus is nucleophilic attacking center or electrophile. Electrophile means shortage of electron. Here carbon need electron and Br has one excess electron. The excess electron of Br is given to carbon because carbon is now very badly required of one electron. So the bonding occurred between carbocation and incoming nucleophile to give the final product. What is this actually? Alkyl halide. Here halide, what halogen we are using? Bromine. So alkyl bromide. And the additional product H2O. This is second type of reaction we are expecting from alcohol. In the second type of chemical reaction, what is the character shown by the alcohol? Electrophilic nature, very very important. So whenever the alcohol shows electrophilic nature, cleavage occurred between carbon and oxygen. Carbon and oxygen. So carbon becomes cation. Carbon becomes cation, electrophile. Understood? Clear? Okay. Now, that's all. We discussed now only two types of chemical reaction based on alcohol as one of the main reactant. Now, as an example, we are going to see few examples. The cleavage occurred between oxygen and hydrogen. The cleavage occurs between cleavage of OH. The cleavage of OH means between oxygen and OH means which is left after cleavage? O 4 electron and additional electron charge. Okay. Alkoxide. What is this called? Alkoxide. The alkoxide is best. This is excess electron mean look for nucleophile. So this is nucleophile. So nucleophile, listen, alkali metal, sodium, and leaving one electron, Na plus, comparing Na and Na plus, which has more stable electronic configuration? Na plus, according to octet rule. According to octet rule, in the outermost orbital it obeys octet rule, but Na one excess electron. That is why this highly electropositive atom, electropositive atom in giving electron it gets stability according to octet rule, and more electronegativity means gaining electron it gets stability according to octet rule. So any halogen at the gain of one electron, X minus, this is stable configuration. That's why X is known as highly electronegative species. And alkali metal and highly electropositive, because giving out one electron it gets stability. So listen, here electron exchange, yes, the reaction cleavage occurs between, because alkali, we can discuss the same reaction the other way also. Alkali metal mostly shows no excellent basic character. Alkali mean base, okay. basic character. Because of basic character, as whenever the alcohol react with the base or basic character reagent, what will be role of the alcohol? Acid. So this shows no acidic character. It shows acidic character due to the presence of alkali metal. Very, very important. So what is the definition of acid? It will give H plus. H plus provided. Bronsted acid. H plus provided Bronsted acid. Okay. So this is now Bronsted acid, and after cleavage alkoxide minus, in addition to the 4 electron, here this plus, yes, here heterolytic cleavage occurred. Okay. And Na is now Na plus 2 Na plus 2 electron released. The 2 Na plus and 2 RO combined, RONA, 2 moles of sodium alkoxide. Okay, because of 2 mole, 2H plus. The 2H plus and gaining the 2 electron, and this 2 Na plus and 2H plus. Two H plus gaining 2 electron, very important, 2 hydrogen atom. Okay, the 2 hydrogen atom combining 2 hydrogen atom will give no H2 gas. H2 gas, and the 2 Na plus combined with the sodium alkoxide, 2 mole of or 2 molecules of sodium alkoxide. So this is expecting and mechanism. This is a thing is happening during the reaction between alcohol and alkali metal. What is the point to be noted for this type of reaction? H plus and Na is separated, Na plus and hydrogen atom. The 2 hydrogen atom give and H2 gas. Understood? Okay. Next example, reaction with the metal. Reaction with the metal. The reaction with the metal, what is the metal here? Aluminium. Aluminium. So remember, aluminium shows no amphoteric nature. Sometimes it will show basic character, sometimes it will show no acidic character also. But in these reactions, the cleavage occurs between oxygen and hydrogen. After cleavage, this whole thing alkoxide formed. Alkoxide formed and H plus. Because 6 molecules reacted mean 6 H plus from the 2 aluminium, 2 molecules of aluminium becomes and 2 Al3 plus and 6 electron. Okay, this 6 electron and the 6 H plus, 6 H plus combined with the 6 electron give 3 molecules of hydrogen. Okay, 3 molecules of hydrogen evaporated. Now one salt, aluminium salt, aluminium tertiary butoxide. Why tertiary butoxide? What type of this carbon? Tertiary carbon. Around this carbon there are 3 alkyl group, 1, 2, 3. Because of 3 R group attached to this carbon is known as tertiary carbon. And alkoxide type, because the whole thing RO mean alkoxide. So generally alkoxide, but number of carbon 4 mean butoxide, and tertiary butoxide is bonded to aluminium. So aluminium tertiary butoxide. This is a required product. And additionally 6H2. How do we get 6H2? 6 H plus combined with the 6 electron. The 6 electron and given by aluminium. Why? It shows no electropositive nature. Electropositive nature. Because of showing electropositive nature, it give electron and get stability. Okay. And in the radical, the Al3 plus and alkoxide totally 1 minus, here 3 plus. Here this is 1 minus 3 plus. That's why with the 3 plus 3 minus required. So 3 butoxide attached. Look at the suffix 3. 3 butoxide attached to 1 Al3 plus. So here 3 plus, this 1 minus means 3 attached. So this is the reaction. Okay, understood? Another example, phenol react with sodium metal. Sodium metal. Again, this what is sodium? Alkali metal. Then 2Na in stable form. What is stable form? 2Na plus and 2 electron released. Okay. And after heterolytic cleavage between O and H, here O will be already 4 electron and 1 minus. This H released as H plus 2 molecules involved, so 2H. So 2H plus and 2 electrons give 1 hydrogen molecule. 1 hydrogen molecule. Then Na plus, because what is the character of phenol? Electrophile. Electrophile or nucleophile? Tell me. Electron density more mean is a nucleophile. So nucleophile look for and positive charge. So Na, now Na plus. Okay, Na plus and a nucleophile combined give sodium alkoxide. Here not alkoxide, this bottom is aromatic substance, that is phenoxide, sodium phenoxide. Without how to write actually here, and benzene with O minus, this phenoxide and Na plus. This is actually salt. On hydrolysis we can get once again no and phenol. On hydrolysis on sodium phenoxide we can get phenol. So this is the reaction between phenol and sodium metal or alkali metal. Okay. In addition to this, and phenol and react with aqueous sodium hydroxide. Aqueous mean water mixed. Aqueous. Okay. And one more thing, Na alone mean alkali metal. Here NaOH strong base, and because of strong basic character, what is the role of alcohol? Acid character. What is the role of acid character? It will give H plus given by alcohol, leaving phenoxide. Okay, the phenoxide and Na plus combine sodium phenoxide, and H plus and OH minus. H plus and OH minus give no water molecules. Okay, here in the previous case, sodium is converted into Na plus and one extra electron and one extra hydrogen plus and one electron will give hydrogen atom. The two hydrogen atom will combine H2. So this kind of possibility is not there here. Okay, the electron not a matter straight away because of base. In base water on hydrolysis, NaOH is in water, Na plus and OH minus straight away. There is no business of giving electron and gaining electron. Nothing's happened. Straight away cleavage occurred. Hydrolysis, or we can say this salt and electrolysis also we can say, because Na plus 2 is separated into 2 ion in water solvent. Okay, base. So Na plus and directly attached to and phenoxide to give sodium phenoxide, and the remaining radicals OH minus and H plus combine and give H2O. Okay, so what is the role of phenol here? Acid. Why? Because NaOH is strong base. The same thing is given here. Base react with the acid. Yes, acid character mean the cleavage occurred between oxygen and hydrogen. Mean what is role of the alcohol? Acid. So the base gain H plus and B minus become BH. The BH is nothing but here water. What is B? OH minus. And this remaining part phenoxide. The phenoxide combining with the Na plus sodium phenoxide. So this is the net reaction in this. Okay. Any doubt mean you can interrupt me. Raise your voice. Are you in line, all of you?
Yes, sir.
All of you? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, yes, acidity of alcohol. We had already discussed acidity, basicity. So when alcohol shows acidic character, whenever alcohol give hydrogen as H plus due to cleavage, heterolytic cleavage between oxygen and hydrogen, the acidity character shown by the alcohol. Okay, whenever the cleavage occurred between carbon and OH, entire OH is cleaved, mean alcohol shows basic character. Okay, now what is in comparing hydrocarbon, only R hydrocarbon, there is no functional group. What is this? Not we can say R this alkyl radical. What is R? Alkyl group. These are something happened. Okay. It's not recognized. Okay, so what is actually R? R is Cn H2n plus 1 alkyl. This alkyl, then additionally one hydrogen alcohol. What type of alcohol? Primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol. Okay, when you move towards right side in this direction, the acidic character decreases. This decreases the acidic strength. So comparing all the three, and primary alcohol shows no more acidic character than secondary alcohol than tertiary alcohol. What is the reason? Mean around carbon, as number of alkyl group increases, very important, around the functional carbon number of alkyl group increases, the electron density around carbon increases. So electron density around carbon increases mean it favors cleavage between carbon and oxygen. whenever around carbon more electron density, the cleavage between carbon and OH is preferred, then the carbon becomes nucleophilic center and electrophile. This is excellent electrophile, tertiary alcohol. Secondary alcohol, moderate electrophile. Primary alcohol, and the electrophile character least, at the same time nucleophile characters more. So nucleophile character more mean the cleavage occurs between O and H. Here this more, here less. That's why primary alcohol shows more acidic character than secondary and then tertiary. Very, very important. Now, the same thing only we discuss. Acidity of alcohol. Acidity of alcohol, we discuss the comparative study. The same thing also here, but this experiment, this proof. What is the proof to say acidity of alcohol? Listen, RO is obtained from alcohol. This is from alcohol. Why? ROH is alcohol. So what is this called? Alkoxide. What is the name? Alkoxide. This alkoxide. This is alkoxide after cleavage of hydrogen. That is why. So negative charge. Negative charge. Remember, comparing Cl minus, Br minus, I minus and RO minus is excellent base, very strong base, very strong base. Okay, very, very important. Alkoxide is a strong base, this base, but we can't decide now. We will discuss the entire reaction, then we will come to the conclusion. Now RO, just forget the name given under each compound. Let us forget everything. Now concentrate only the actual reaction, then we will discuss. And the alkoxide reacting with the water molecule, always we can have these two type of products. One is alcohol, the other one is hydroxide. Okay, the alcohol, what is the reason mean? Already alkoxide now gain one H plus. H plus is coming from water. The H plus is given by water during the reaction and RO is gained by accepting H plus. So the RO minus is a species to accept H plus mean according to the definition of acid and base. So this is base, because accepting H plus. The species, any species accepting H plus generally known as base. Any chemical species giving H plus mean acid. So based on this, the transformation, exchange of H plus given by water, so water is said to be acid. The H plus is accepted by alkoxide, so the alkoxide is said to be base. Okay, so whenever alkoxide and water react, water shows more acidic character. Now let me and conclude one very important concept, comparing water and alcohol. Very important. Comparing water and alcohol, water shows more acidic character because of this reaction. Yes, water only giving H plus, alkoxide accepting H plus to give. So the ROH, alcohol, this alcohol from alkoxide. The alkoxide base mean the compound from the base is known as conjugate acid. From base, conjugate acid. From acid, conjugate base. Yes, the OH minus is the remaining part of HOH. HOH acid means this conjugate base. You should have learned the same concept from 11th standard, ionic equilibrium. Remember, in ionic equilibrium, conjugate base, conjugate acid, strong base, strong acid, reaction between weak base and strong acid. So there are so many reaction, and we derived formula also. So this reaction shows that the water is better proton donor comparing alkoxide. So comparing alkoxide and water, water is now considered as a stronger base, stronger acid than alcohol. Also, the above reaction note that an alkoxide ion is a better proton acceptor. So strong base. Proton, every proton acceptor is base. Then hydroxide ion, and which suggests that comparing hydroxide ion and RO minus, RO minus is a strong base, stronger base. So sodium ethoxide is a stronger base than sodium hydroxide. Very, very important. Sodium ethoxide is a stronger base than, already we used to say sodium hydroxide is stronger base, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. But comparing sodium hydroxide and sodium ethoxide is stronger than sodium hydroxide with respect to basic character. The same way, comparing potassium ethoxide and potassium hydroxide, potassium ethoxide will be stronger. So alcohols act as protonated base as well. It is due to the presence of unshared electron and pair over the oxygen, which makes them proton acceptor. So this and all we had already discussed. Okay. Now we are entering another important discussion, acidity of phenol. Acidity of phenol. At the end of the discussion, we are going to discuss the acidic character of phenol and acidic character of alcohol. Which is stronger acidic character shown? Which one show the stronger acidic character, and either phenol or alcohol? Okay. So after a long discussion alone, we can come to a good conclusion. Okay, let me discuss. The acidity of phenols are stronger than alcohol. Okay, acidity of phenol stronger than alcohol. We are going to justify this statement with the help of elaborated discussion. Okay, the stability of phenoxide ion is more than that of alkoxide ion. What is alkoxide ion? Alkoxide or single bond O with additional charge and 4 electron. This is alkoxide. Okay, and what is phenoxide? Phenoxide and benzene ring attached to O minus. So the second one is phenoxide, the first one is alkoxide. So which is stronger? Which out of these two, which one shows more stability? Will show no more acidic character. More acidic character. So acidic character means it will accept no electron. Basic character means it will donate electron. Okay, and one more thing, acidic character react with the alkali metal and very active metal, it will give no salt. Very important. So the stability of phenoxide ion is more than that of alkoxide. The first one alkoxide, the second one phenoxide. What is the reason? In alkoxide ion, the lone pair of electron localized only over oxygen. Look at here. In alkoxide, this is the 4 electron or lone pair of electron. The lone pair of electron can travel again and again around the oxygen alone. It cannot migrate from oxygen into some other atom in this compound, in this intra compound, intra atom. It cannot move to any of the intra atom within the molecule. Within the molecule, the lone pair of electron around the electron cannot move. This is a thing given in the statement. The lone pair of electron and localized only over oxygen atom, but in phenoxide ion, the lone pair of electron delocalized, very important, at various position within the benzene ring. Look at here, it's very important. Over the oxygen, because of phenoxide, one additional lone pair of electron. Because of extra, what is the reason for the extra minus? One additional lone pair of electron. Due to the addition of this electron, additional charge developed. Okay. So here 6 lone pair of electron. Because of 6 lone pair of electron around oxygen, usually what will be number of electron around oxygen? 6. Actually 6. Actually 6 mean for lone pair no 1 electron and contributed by oxygen mean the remaining 5 electron alone should be there around oxygen. But we have 6 electron. Because of one extra electron, excess electron give negative charge. So negative charge over oxygen and 6 lone pair of electron. And due to the more number of lone pair of electron, what will happen? One of the lone pair of electron and can shift between the bond between oxygen and sp2 hybridized carbon of benzene ring. Okay, so leaving this oxygen here, because now the particular oxygen lose 2 electron. 2 electron means here partial double bond. 2 electron, whenever this particular electron give 2 electron mean, and what is the number of electron around oxygen? 1, 2, 3, 4 electron only. 4 electron. Okay, so a neutral 4 electron and these 2 electron 4. So around oxygen there are 6 electron. Around there are 6 electron. Around oxygen alone 6 electron, but including the 2 plus 2, it obeys no octet rule. The 6 electron belongs to oxygen. The 2 electron belongs to the carbon of benzene ring. So after the chemical bonding, and benzene ring carbon as well as oxygen obeys octet rule. Okay, very important. But around oxygen only 6 electron of oxygen available, and 2 more electron is donated by, shared by and carbon. Then what is happening here? Here double bond nature. Double bond nature mean around carbon only 4 bond, including pi. 4 bonds should be there. 3 sigma bond mean 1 pi bond. Here already left side 2, another 2, 5 bond will come. This is a violation of the rule. For that reason, and this electron shift and towards right side, next position, and then bond between oxygen and this sp2 hybridized carbon become partial double bond nature. Here extra negative charge develop. The same way we can expect on the left side also, here extra negative charge, and the shifting of and this electron to the next and straight away in para position also negative charge. So remember, the para position are 2 ortho position negative charge. So how many canonical forms available for phenoxide? 1 2 3 4 5 starting final, so we can say no, 4 canonical form. Combining all the 4 canonical form, we can give one resonance structure. So due to the more number of canonical form, because of delocalization of electron within the benzene ring, the phenoxide shows more stability than alkoxide, because in alkoxide and delocalization is not possible. The lone pair of electron and move around only oxygen, but this lone pair of electron shift everywhere, from here everywhere. Different intra-carbon atom, not the same. Here oxygen only single atom, but intra-transition occurred. Because of intra-transition, it give more canonical form and resonance structure, and because of this reason we can say phenol shows more acidic character than alcohol. Very, very important. Phenol shows more acidic character than alcohol. And comparing alkoxide and phenoxide, phenoxide more stable ion, phenoxide more stable ion than alkoxide. Okay, now comparing phenoxide and alkoxide, phenoxide is more reactive, alkoxide less reactive. At the same time, and phenol out of ionization, ionization means, and it's leaving hydrogen, and phenoxide formed. So the rate of ionization of phenol to give phenoxide is faster rate comparing alkoxide, because out of the ionization the phenoxide get more stability, because of this reason. Very, very important, very, very important question. Okay, now the same thing only we are continuing. Ionization of alcohol and phenol, the same thing, ionization of alcohol and phenol. And in the previous page we discussed only phenoxide without the H plus, including H plus, this is phenol. So previously around the oxygen there were 6 lone pair of electron, now only 2 lone pair of electron. Out of 2 lone pair of electron, 1 lone pair of electron shifted between oxygen and carbon. So number of lone pair of electron around the oxygen less by 1. So electron shortage. Because of electron shortage, here positive charge appeared. Look at here, positive charge appeared, and due to delocalization of electron between intra-carbon within the benzene ring and ortho position and the para position, negative charge appeared. So overall, what is the net charge of phenol? 0. One end positive charge, other end negative charge. Polarity developed, high polar, but net charge is 0. Okay, and in case of alcohol, alkoxide and H plus, and phenoxide and H plus. Comparing alkoxide and phenoxide, which is more stable? Phenoxide is more stable. So the ionization of phenol is higher rate than alcohol. Why? Because out of ionization and phenol give stable phenoxide. Alcohol will not give stable alkoxide, because alkoxide is formed, but this is not stable. Very strong base, more reactive. Okay, and remember nitro, this is nitrated phenol, the first one nitrated phenol, the lower one hydrocarbon, substituted phenol. This is substituted phenol. Look at the substituent, 2 different natures substituent with the phenol nitro group. What is it called? nitro group NO2 plus, not plus, okay, plus only, NO2 plus. And what about and CH3 and CH3 plus. So this alkyl, this is nitro. Now comparing R and NO2 plus. The NO2 plus is electron, actually it will come as CH3 minus, we will discuss now. Actually this CH minus is NO2 plus, this R minus, not R plus. The NO2 plus is electrophile, R minus nucleophile, but already is not attacking. Okay, and what is happening? The NO2 plus are electron withdrawing group. R minus electron donating group. If you have any alkyl group, CH3 or C2, H5, ethyl, butyl, propyl with the benzene ring, the inside electron density less, but in a CH3 mean electron density more electron density. Why? Give arrow like this. What is the meaning? Electron giving, electron density increased. Due to the presence of CH3, electron density increased. Whenever electron density increased, basic character increased. At the same time, acidic character decreased, less acidic character. Very important. Whenever a benzene ring or phenol attached to any electron giving group, donating group, what are the electron donating group? R minus, okay, and CHO minus, and COO minus, carboxylate, COO minus, CHO minus, or COCH3, COCH3, these and all generally known as electron donating group. And NO2 and HSO4 plus or HSO3 and plus HSO3 is not a sulfonic. So this and all are C plus Cl plus, this and all electrophile, that is electron withdrawing group. This electron withdrawing group, this and all electron donating group. Negative mean electron donating group. So whenever electron donating group attached to phenol, and acidic character reduced and basic character increased. And NO2 mean, it will put arrow reverse direction, it will sucking electron density, it will reduce electron density. Here electron density reduced, less electron density. Because of electron, whenever electron density less, electron deficient. Electron deficient are generally good acidic character. So more acidic character. Make note of it. This more acidic character, whenever phenol is attached to electron withdrawing group. Electron with the EWG. Whenever EWG attached to phenol, acidic character increases. Whenever electron donating group attached to phenol, acidic character decreases. Very, very important. Okay. The next one, and the new kind of reaction, esterification, and we will continue esterification reaction next class. And today go and prepare elaborately and point out your doubts and ask your any kind of doubt in the next chemistry session.